Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your front door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a tape measure. Next, select a new handle set that perfectly matches your door's existing bore hole and backset measurements. This ensures a seamless fit and proper function. Also, consider the finish to complement your home style. Now, let's remove the old hardware. Begin by locating the 2 or 3 screws on the interior side of your existing handle assembly. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the interior and exterior handle components. Finally, remove the 2 screws holding the latch plate on the door's edge, then slide out the old latch mechanism. With the old hardware removed, it's time for the new installation. First, insert the new latch into the door's edge, making sure the beveled side faces the door frame. Secure it with the 2 provided screws, tightening them firmly but not excessively. Next, align the exterior handle with the latch mechanism and carefully slide it into position through the door's bore hole. For the final steps, attach the interior handle, ensuring its spindle correctly engages with the latch mechanism. Insert and tighten all screws securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could strip the threads or damage the door. Finally, thoroughly test the new handle's operation, checking both the latch and the locking mechanism for smooth and reliable function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.